care of Cassie, on grooming, on bathing, on how we take care of her. She has all her shots. She is on Revolution for flea, tick, and heart. She'll go over some products that she uses on her. And of course, she's getting a little sleepy now.
We start with moisture.
Yeah.
Shampoo. It has oatmeal in it, so it really conditions the skin. Keeps them from scratching, and it's what
Keeps them from their skin from drying out. It's got a detangleizer in it and conditioner.
And I use my conditioner after I bath her. It helps keep her skin soft and keeps her skin from drying out as well. And between baths, we use a no rinse shampoo, which is kind of a strong odor. Tony really doesn't like to smell it.
Lavender.
Yeah, it's got a strong odor.
And chamomile, right?
Mm-hmm. But it does a pretty good job. And then we also use a finishing spray between baths. It helps to loosen up her coat, keep it from getting tangled with brushings. Because some of her brush kind of pulls sometimes, where she gets out and plays in the yard, in the grass and stuff. She gets kind of wet and mats. This helps break down the mats when she gets wet and her hair dries.
She actually has that natural curly hair too, which makes it hard to brush too.
And then we have the toothbrush and the toothpaste, which she doesn't like at all. It's gross.
She sees herself on video. She's not happy.
And then another thing we get that she loves, she chews on them.
It's a dental chewy. She chews on it, helps freshen her breath, and keeps her teeth clean. The plaque off of it too. Loves them.
Her breath gets really bad. Don't it, baby?
But we thought we'd show you some videos of her playing in the grass, getting a bath, show you a few pictures of us with her, and hope you enjoy.
Sorry.
Go ahead.
If you notice when she runs, she don't really run, she hops.
So hope you enjoy.
I can't wait to get you up in the morning when the sun is shining bright. It's gonna be another day with you. We're gonna run and play and seize the day. There ain't nothing like chasing your cares away with you. Oh, with you. If you're down, I'll help you turn around. Nobody knows how much I love you. Nobody knows how much I care. There's a big old world
Stacy's here with some questions. Okay. Stacy's been on our chat. Come here, Stacy. Come on in, darling. Boy, it's like she's only been here 5 minutes. You can come out and join us, my darling.
Okay. So, a lot of questions. If you can set up
She's making
to
this
do a
hard.
different language, to do a different language.
I believe that you can. I don't know that it's as vast as.
Cassie getting a
You can also
trim right now.
If you have somebody in your family named.
Okay.
Not too happy about getting her hair cut.
Also,
She don't like sitting still.
drop-in feature.
She definitely don't like
The drop-in feature allows you.
the
because you now
electric
have multiples, and you need multiples to do this.
cutters.
One in the family
Too
room,
loud for her,
one
scares her.
One in the kitchen.
She's very,
And it becomes a wireless intercom system. So when you turn this on the very first time, ask her to enable
What's the word I'm looking for
name
her?
your devices, and you can simply say,
Skittish?
drop it on the kitchen.
Not
drop it
skittish.
in the living room, and they will all
Hyper?
communicate.
Hyper. That's a good word for her.
Always have one of these in their bedroom, and you're in the kitchen, and you want to call them to dinner.
Today is Cassie Ann's Bath day. She's not too excited about it. She's swallowed up the bed in the sink. So, this is where she gets her bath. The sink has hot and cold water, so she's not getting a cold bath. Too big fan of. I'll bring her out.
She looks a lot like Mom. She's Mom's kid sister, born from a later litter. Cavaliers are bred to be playful companions, and at 5 months old, Aunt Raja is always up for a party.
A dog is a friend who waits for you, plays with you, stays with you. A dog is a friend who won't let you down. People leave, but dogs stick around. All my life I prayed for someone, that perfect love that never comes. All my nights I'd end up alone, till a four-legged stranger came and walked me home. A dog is a friend who takes your part, eats your food and steals your heart. A dog is a friend who'll never lie, just love you till the day they die. All my life I prayed for someone, that perfect love.
You enjoyed watching. Cassie just got done with her bath. She's all cleaned up now. And we got her all, her mommy's got her all her homemade bows and her nice company FedEx shirt on. Bye, Cassie. Gonna tell him bye? Gonna tell him bye? Huh? Gonna tell him bye? Say bye. Good job. Thanks for joining us.